Hey everyone, this is Stephanie with Travel Creates Memories by Dream Vacations. This is difficult because since the new phone upgrade, I don't know how to flip my screen, so I'm having to go old school. I'm sure I'll figure it out, but I don't have time to figure it out today. So I get asked all the time about packing tips for cruises in particular, and I'm getting ready to go on one this weekend. I'm super excited. It's been a while since I've been on a warm weather destination for a week. This is not a 4 or 5 night cruise, but a week-long cruise, so I'm so looking forward to it. But anyhow, I was going to show you what I'm getting ready to pack so that you have a clue. Now, this is only going to work for a warm weather destination, but you can still take these tips and apply it to a cold weather destination, and I think you'll still get some good tips out of it. Okay, so quick flip. Okay, so let's start with this. Y'all see, it looks like I've got a lot of stuff to pack, right? Okay, we're gonna put it in that blue suitcase. And I've got the black suitcase out to give you a difference in size. That black suitcase is the one that you can carry onto an airplane and put in the overhead bin space. That being said, if it's a smaller airplane, just keep in mind that the airline is going to require you to check that at the gate, and then when you get off the plane, you've got to reclaim it. So kind of takes away a lot of the purpose of a carry-on, in my opinion, but some people just don't like being separated from their luggage, or they just don't want to spend the money to check their luggage. I'm going to pack everything into that blue suitcase, which I consider to be a medium-sized suitcase. It's not too big. It's pretty easy to maneuver. It's got the 4 wheels on the bottom. It's expandable. And then these are all the shoes I'm taking. So you can see they're all, I've got my exercise shoes, which, maybe I'll exercise. Who am I kidding? I've got a black pair of flip-flops, a blue pair, a white pair. I need to replace those white pair. If y'all see some cute ones, let me know. And then some espadrilles. So those will go with everything that I'm bringing. And they're small and they're flat. So they're easy to hide away and pack away in a suitcase without being overly burdensome. And then let's come over here because I have a backpack. If I were flying, this backpack would be my carry-on. I would keep all my chargers in this little section for my phone, my computer, that kind of stuff. It does have a spot for my computer back here to protect it. And you can carry it on your back, so it's not overly cumbersome. Just be aware that when you're getting on the airplane that you've got to take it off your back so you don't knock somebody out. There's nothing better than being on an airplane and somebody walking by and knocking you out with their backpack. Oh, this is good stuff. Good job. So this will open up and you can see you can get in there, and that I can put a whole day's worth of stuff in there. So I will put everything. We're going down a day early like you should on every cruise. So I will have my pajamas in there, the clothes that I'm gonna wear onto the ship, and a swimsuit and a hat. So just in case I get separated from my luggage, I can still hit the pool. I still have a change of clothes, that kind of stuff. So swimsuit, couple of shirts, and some leggings, because leggings are just easy and comfortable. Then over here, so when I pack, I look at it like, how many nights do I have? And I pack, in my head, I'm going, okay, I need 7 nights worth of stuff, because night attire is different than daytime attire. And then I need 7 days of stuff. And then I need stuff to get off the ship, right? Because I might be going to a different climate getting off the ship. So you're gonna notice that I have, here's all my shorts that I'm taking. And you can see they're nice, kind of dressy shorts, so you can dress them up or dress them down, and they're all solid colors. The reason I go for solid colors is because you can mix and match, and nobody's going to go, oh my gosh, she wore those black shorts last night, because they're not going to know. These are a one and done, because they're going to stand out. Denim for daytime, and then a couple of cuter pair for nighttime, some silver and some tweed. And then all of these shirts, I picked these shirts out for nighttime attire. They all match those shorts. So I go and I pick my shirts out first that I want to wear, keeping in mind that I want them to all, oh, we're following. I want them all to match my shorts that I'm bringing. So again, you see it's all solids. Solids are going to make your life easier. And you can see well, that one's not solid, but that's my one and done. But they're all solid. They're all kind of a good fabric. So you can wear them to dinner and still be comfortable, but still hit the dress code. Oops. Hope y'all aren't getting dizzy. I'm new at this video stuff. So I know some of y'all are experts. That would not be me. All right. Then I've got I've got 3 swimsuits over here, simply because girl swimsuits take longer to dry than boy swimsuits. So even though I hang it up, the day that I use it, the next day, it is probably still damp, and I don't like putting on a damp swimsuit. These are daytime attire shirts. I've got a couple of t-shirts right there, and then I've got a couple other t-shirts. These are more fitted, more like the women's cut, because sometimes I don't like feeling frumpy. And I got a tank top. This is nighttime, obviously. And then I've got blue jeans, and I've got white jeans, and I got black jeans, just in case I get a hold of a hostess at the restaurant who really wants me not to be in dressy shorts, but to be in pants instead. I have a backup plan right here. So I got 1 day of workout attire because, well, let's be real, that's probably all I'm going to work out. But still, even if you want to, it's going to dry. It's moisture wicking, all that stuff. And if anybody's that close to me that they can smell me and think I stink, then they're too close to me and I'll have to say something to them. Swimsuit cover up, that's always good, because when you're at an all-inclusive or a cruise, they definitely want you to be covered up to go eat lunch, even if it's a beach restaurant on the beach sometimes. Okay, so that's it for the clothes, but let's get into some of the other things I packed to make my life easier. These are super cool. These are towels. Granted, the cruise ships, all-inclusive resorts, they will provide towels for you. But if you're going somewhere, you see this is a full-size towel. It's like a blanket size. But you can see it's super tiny and packs down to super tiny. Why do I have that? Instead of just using what they give me, 1, they're so small that they're so easy. And 2, because I end up being the pack mule for my family. So, and because I have those, I can then carry this to carry off the ship or out to the beach, whatever it might be. And it folds up super tiny. See? So it packs super easy. And then those will fit into there. And my life is just easier that way. And then, of course, I'm going to carry some insulated water bottles, an insulated cup for drinks out and about. And these I actually carry off the cruise ship. They will tell you not to take any liquids off, any drinks off the ship, but I do every time. And as long as it's in this, I never get any pushback from it. I always carry a couple of the magnets, the heavy duty magnets, simply because sometimes you just don't have enough hooks in the room, and the walls on a cruise ship are metal, so you can use those. This is going to be my makeup bag. It is waterproof, and I use waterproof bags for my stuff. This is toiletries and other things that I need, because I have had stuff bust when I'm flying and traveling. So I want to be able just to wipe it out if I need to and not be worried about it. If you don't have this, just use like a Ziploc bag, and you might want to double Ziploc it. In my Ziploc bag is, like I said, we're going down a day early. I hate going to a hotel and paying $15 to $20 for a glass of wine, so I carry my own wine. Even if I'm flying, people can't believe that I will fly with it too. But you'll notice I've got it wrapped up in the grocery bag and then put in a Ziploc bag, and I put a little extra air in there, and then it's gonna go smack dab in the middle of my suitcase. So that is a brief scenario of how I pack. How do you pack? Do you have any questions? Comment below and let me know. Y'all have a great day.